Under this navigation bar with the links to the other pages, we can see we have a search form, archives, categories, meta. And so what these are called widgets. So they're pretty much islands of information or functionality. So the search form kind of does its own thing. It doesn't really rely on archives or the navigation bar up here. It's kind of its own island of functionality, and it lets us search for different things on the site. Well, there's some of these widgets that we don't really want. So for instance, archives, I don't want this to display, so I'm going to get rid of this widget. And to do so, we'll go back to the dashboard. We could also go to widgets right here, but within the dashboard, if we go to appearance and then widgets, here we can see we can change the order. So I could put search bar at the bottom. We can also get rid of other ones or add other ones, and to do so we just drag it on, and then when we click this little arrow over here we can customize the widget, and based on the widget it will be customized differently. So all we're going to do is drag archives off of here, drag meta off, and so now we just have categories and search. So now when we go back to the site, here we have it just like we want it. We have logo, navigation, and then the categories here at the top so that people can easily find the type of post or photo that they're looking for. And then here at the very bottom, sorry, well, not quite at the bottom, at the very bottom we have just this information about our site, but right here the lowest widget is just this search bar. So I could search Los Angeles and it will show anything that is relevant to what I've typed in.